Hi, to update your Samsung Galaxy A35, firstly, you just need to make sure that your phone is charged at least at 20%, and if you notice that it is almost discharged, you need to simply plug the charger. Now we'll need to open settings. Now let me return back in main settings, and from here scroll down and find that tab software update. So simply select it, and now if you got any new updates you would see this suggestion to download and install new update. So let's do it. I'm gonna tap here and we got two options. We can either schedule install or we can install it right now. So let's tap install now. And now we are simply waiting till Android system update and till it is preparing our updates. When you'll see 100%, you will be able to return back in the settings. And now you can see that the phone is starting, so we just need to go back in the settings. Here, as we did before, find software update, and now go in download and install. And now you can see that my phone has been updated. So let's tap OK, and now we can see the information about last update, which is today. And additionally, you can choose whether you wanna install updates automatically over Wi-Fi or not. If you want to download software updates automatically when connected to a Wi-Fi network, just tap on the switcher so it will light up blue like that. If not, tap it again to disable. And install updates manually by going in this tab. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.